Hello and welcome to an API case study where we are going to show you around this rather amazing space in London. It's a Greek Orthodox cathedral and we have had the pleasure of installing a sound system in there, and this was really great for us because the biggest issue that the cathedral had was the sound system. It had been pieced together over years and years and it just wasn't working at all well. No one could hear anything, so we were tasked with changing that, and I'm glad to say that we've done a good job and the client is very happy. But it is an incredible space and it needed a sound system to match. It's very busy space, and that means that it's really important that people can hear when they attend. So we started with thinking about the speakers because that was the most crucial thing and the thing that was most wrong at the moment. And after a demo, we went for these Renkers Hines column noun speakers. They work really well because they're very directional, and the reverberation in the cathedral was massive, so it needed very directional sound, and these work very well. We've got some separate speakers in the foyer, and we've also even got some speakers outside because when they have really busy services, there are people stood in the street for Easter, for example, to listen to the service inside. So that was another really unique part of this job, but one that we could achieve as well, which was great. In terms of amplification, we went for some PowerSoft amps because they gave us really flexible power distribution, which was important with different speakers in different zones, and we wanted to give a really flexible audio routing to the different spaces as well, so that any input could go to any output, which is why we used an Allen and Heath matrix, and that gives us all sorts of processing and also allowed us to do sort of automatic feedback and automatic mixing, which was really important. We went for Audio Technica digital mics. The cathedral ended up having 7 microphones, but there's space for another in the future. These were all wireless so that they could use them across the cathedral in any configuration they wanted, which was quite important because people move around quite a bit. We then had a little rotary controller that would allow them to change the levels of the CD, for example, when people are in the cathedral they play background music, or it could change the volume of different spaces, so if the foyer was too loud they could turn it down or turn it off. And this was really important because the actual rack with the equipment in it was in the vestry, which we couldn't get to during services. So overall that's a very quick overview of the installation, but we're really proud of how well it's come out. The cathedral are really impressed, and lots of people who visited have commented on how much better the sound is, and we're continuing to work with them and some of their other spaces, which we're really excited to do in the new year as well. Thank you for listening.